how sometimes when you do something and it's kind of a pain in the butt and it's taking you a while to do it, and then someone comes along and says, why don't you do it this way instead? It's a lot easier. And that's what this video is about. Hey everybody, I'm Buntin. I'm an Etsy seller with over 42,000 sales, and I'm pretty experienced on Etsy in navigating it, but they move things around a lot, and sometimes they'll move things around and then I don't check things out. And I made a video a couple of weeks ago about making decisions about whether to renew a listing when it expired or whether to delete it or just leave it alone or whatever. And I went through and showed you how to find the information that you would need to make these decisions by pulling the spreadsheets of all the sold orders. And then I got a couple of comments on the video that made it really a lot easier. So the first comment was from Brigitte. She said, why don't you just go over to your orders and sort for that keyword and see if anything's sold? Okay, that's a lot easier. So I am going to link the original video because I think you should learn how to find those spreadsheets and you should know how those work. But for these purposes, that's a lot easier. Then just this morning, I got another comment from Tiffany who says, if you go into your stats page and select the date range you want to look at, then scroll down to the listings, all your listings, including expired listings, are there. It even gives you an option on the right side to look at all the listings, active, expired, and sold out. You just find the listing and click it, and you have all your stats and keywords. So whenever I'm looking at stuff, I've been going into the spreadsheets. Okay, I don't do that too often, so at least I have that going for me, but these two methods are a lot easier. And I have gone into my sold orders and searched for things before, so I don't know why I didn't even think about that. But I want to thank Tiffany and Brigitte for pointing these things out because it is helpful and it is a little bit easier. I am going to link the original video because that has some information about making the decision once you have the information, and I will talk to you later.